What's up, peeps? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Zina and I am aging ethically. Now, if you're new to my channel, I use only vegan and cruelty-free cosmetics. I like to share my volunteer work at farm animal sanctuaries and dog adoption events, as well as my fondness for plant-based food. The previous video where I rant about recent plant-based celebrities going back to eating animals, I wore sunglasses throughout the entire video. Right now in Phoenix, Arizona, there is a thin layer of fluorescent green pollen coating the entire city and the outskirts of Phoenix, rendering my eyes a puffy, itchy, watery mess. So I have taken a break from filming, actually from wearing eye makeup at all, for the past week or so, but I'm pretty much over that situation now and I'm ready to get back into cosmetics. But first, I wanted to do a fun little video today because I'm very curious of the results. I noticed on my Instagram, and I will link my Instagram and Twitter accounts right here. On my Instagram account and my Twitter account, it is 100% vegan content, and I like to post memes, I like to post little clips of animals, I post little teasers for my upcoming videos and things of that nature. I noticed a little infographic post of dehydrated or drying strawberries in your oven at a low temperature. I was dying to try this to see if it really actually works, and I hope that it does, so I wanted to share that experience with you. So welcome to my humble kitchen, and let's get started. Alright guys, now somehow I have misplaced my cutting board, so what I have here is just a little plastic cover of some Tupperware. So here you have some nice fresh strawberries. Ooh, look at those. Yum. Juicy. I have a piece of soy-based wax paper that I purchased at Sprouts, which is recyclable and unbleached. I have a little flat cookie pan here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the this piece of the strawberry and I'm going to cut it off, and any of the little white pieces. What I want is the freshest red portions of the strawberry, and I'm just going to cut them in half. Now these strawberries have already been rinsed and they are ready to go. So as you can see right here, this is what we're looking for. Nice, fresh, red portion of the berry. Lovely. Take little parts, put them on that plate, and then I'm going to start placing the strawberries on this lovely little cookie tray. So next, we want to preheat our oven to 185 to 200 degrees. We want a really low heat because we don't want the strawberries to kind of become mushy. So we're going to cook them for 2 hours on this low temperature. My oven has preheated and I'm ready to put my strawberries in the center rack. Let's go. Alright guys, the strawberries have cooked for 2 hours. That's my timer going off. I'm going to pull them out of the oven and we'll see what we have. Little oven mitt, ooh, spooky. Alright, these are the berries after 2 hours. Alright, they're not quite done. And believe it or not, they have to cook for another 1 to 2 hours. What I'm going to do now is flip them over and prepare them for the second half of the baking experience. Alright peeps, I flipped the berries over and I'm going to put them back in the oven for another 2 hours. I'm going to check them after 1 hour though and see what their progress is. Peeps, it has been an hour, so a total of 3 hours altogether of cooking, and this is the result. It seems as though we're still a little too juicy, if you know what I mean, and I think I'm going to have to put them back in for another hour. These little buttes are going back in the oven, guys. 1 more hour to go. So they cooked for another 40 minutes. So altogether that's 3 hours and 40 minutes that the strawberries have baked in the oven at 200 degrees. I think I'm going to let them sit and cool for about 20 minutes, and I think they'll actually even like dehydrate further. And I'll check back with you in 20 minutes and I'll actually try one of these. My apartment smells so yummy right now. I don't know if you guys remember, I'm kind of showing my age right now particularly, but back in the 80s, strawberry shortcake was a little character that was very popular, and children would collect the little strawberry scented figurines, and my sister and I had them, and I wish I held on to them. I wonder if they still hold their fragrance after decades, but either way, that's what this apartment smells like right now. It smells like strawberry shortcake figurines, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna let these cool for about 20 minutes and then we'll give them a try. Oh, hi. Shall we try one of these dried or dehydrated strawberries? We shall. All right, guys, I'm going in. I'm going to pick that one right there. All right, cheers. No. It has like, I don't know how to describe it. It has like a little crust on the outside, but yet it's still soft and juicy on the inside. So I'm going to throw them back in the oven again for another half hour. I think I took them out prematurely, so we'll be back in a half hour. Not ready yet, not ready yet. Well, this is my final result. These are my dried, dehydrated strawberries after they've been cooked for a little over 4 hours and they've cooled completely. Looks a little different than the infographic meme that I saw on Instagram. The texture is, well, they're kind of bendy, and it's very, oh man, I don't even know how to describe this. It's very pliable, and it's still very juicy on the inside, yet it has a little bit of a crunchy texture on the outside. Very interesting. They're extremely flavorful, and my apartment smells so good right now. So, didn't really come out like the picture. Leave comment down below and let me know where I went astray. Maybe you've tried this and you've approached it differently. Perhaps I need a proper convection oven. Perhaps I should slice the strawberries thinner, but I will put these in my salads and I will enjoy them. Thank you. My mouth is watering. They're really tasty, but they just kind of look weird. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. Thank you for taking time out of your day to spend with me. I really do appreciate it so much. I post brand new videos every Monday and Friday. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your heart's content, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.